Good day! I am Keith L. Pilizar, a dedicated, adaptable, and a detailed-oriented Bachelor of Science in Psychology student at Caraga State University. Driven by a profound interest in human behavior and organizational dynamics, I am eager to leverage my academic foundation and proactive work ethic to contribute meaningfully to your team. My diverse field preparations spans clinical, administrative, and testing environments. Specifically, I have managed standardized university testing logistics, coordinated vital employee record workflows within corporate human resource, and facilitated behavioral management interventions for psychiatric residents in clinical setting. A key highlight of my professional growth was successfully leading structured learning activities and assisting with complex intake interviews at the New Day Recovery Center in Davao City. This hands on achievement significantly sharpened my active listening skills, refined my capacity to handle sensitive cases with high empathy, and proved my ability to execute tasks seamlessly under pressure. Equipped with strong collaborative skills and a commitment to continuous learning, I am fully prepared to deliver value to your organization. Thank you for your time and consideration, and I look forward to the opportunity to connect and discuss how my skills align with your goals. Thank you.